Okay, rolling.
It's with me no matter where I'm going. Wave like a second skin and glowing. Stay with me, I'll make you reason by all the time.
We are back on the classic winter mission, chasing rain in France. Right now I'm on my way to Les Cévennes. I'm gonna start with Autun.
Stay with me, I'll suck your dick till you say
Grand menu de la grande cuisine. La classique. Putain, les flemmards, ça part en scout de drone, hein. C'est trop beau chez vous. Des quoi? Ah non, on n'a pas vu. Ooh. Day 3 in the Cévennes. We have a driving drawing station here, and we have to check out a new river.
Let's face our problems of today. Let's admit that it's nice to slip away sometimes. Oh, there's a rain in the south. I think I'm gonna go there. Oh, there's a rain in the south. I think I'm gonna go there. Hell, I don't spend some time research you are maybe forced to play a part in this silly play. Tell me anyway if something will happen backstage. Maybe if nobody knew, you'll be able to make me to stay. But there's a rain in the south. I think I'm gonna go there. we're gonna go there. There's a rain in the south. I think we're gonna go there.
Non mais c'était soft et tout. Mais... Fuck yeah. Whew. That was a really stout one. We did set a rope here, la red line, to have someone in the bottom pool. It's very pushy. I got pushed really far left and disappeared in the sea, but I was scared of the bucket.